So where are we going?
Connected.
Do you know how to get there?
No.
Hey Siri.
Siri.
We
need to go to
Mercedes
Connected
navigation.
Rest.
Oh, here. Tony, I still don't know where we're going. Do you have your license on you?
My what?
Do you have your license on you?
My driver's license? Yeah.
Good. Tell me what I'm driving, Tony.
This is a 2018 Mercedes GLE 40, which is an AMG version.
Big fan.
Which means it's custom-built engine, hand-assembled by Mercedes, limited number of production. Has extended horsepower in it, 385 with 385 pounds of torque, sport suspension, dynamic assist.
Should we explore some of the horsepower opportunities in the vehicle?
Well, since you're driving, it's perfectly okay with me. So, Timmy, have you ever been to Connected for dinner?
No.
It's one of the exclusive restaurants in the Peoria area, and we've been there a couple of times for our anniversary and birthdays, and it's been a great experience.
Very cool. I'm excited. I believe we're here.
Yes, we've arrived.
Welcome to Connected, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Ryan Murphy.
Ryan, Tony.
Tony, nice to meet you, Tony.
Tim,
nice to meet you. Right this way, Jim. Let me show you around. So this is our chandelier room that we have, a private dining room that we use for private parties. It's about 16 to 18 full. Nice fireplace on the wall. Our chandelier's a little unique. Right down this way, I'll show you over to our vault, our smaller room.
They have a vault.
That's super cool. Now this seats about 8 people. You've got your, of course, the fireplace, the dual fireplace here. We have that for heat. We also have our own air conditioning system, so you can keep this however you like. Now you can see the facades we have here. This is actually from the previous restaurant that was actually a bar restaurant called Pull Boys. We've been here, we're going into our 10th year, but before that they had it. This was, of course, brightly colored, more of a French Quarter feel. We have our 30-foot waterfall now that Troy put in within the first year. It is quite a feature. Also, of course, toned everything down here on the color scheme wise, and then made this feel more as, say, like a bistro feel, as in like European bistro. Once we put in our baby grand piano on the second level, and our newest feature, as you can see, we do have an Italian biplane replica. That was quite a feat right there. Let me go in here and fix us a drink, gentlemen, if that's all right.
This is just a Coke, I promise.
Well, gentlemen, a little bit about the restaurant. I mean, it is Troy almost connected. I mean, Troy is from Morton originally. He's been here for almost 10 years. That's his idea. I mean, his concept to bring something like this to Peoria. We have recently won the DiRona Award for distinguished restaurants in North America. We don't do any advertising, and everybody just, it's a word of mouth aspect in the restaurant business. It's the best thing to have.
What do I order?
Okay. Now point you towards our Chengao, which is our wild boar. I always tell everybody, don't let the wild boar scare you away. Everybody loves it. Then I also point out our El Branzino, which is our Chilean sea bass. It's a wonderful white fish, pan-seared on both sides with butter and garlic, served over bed of shrimp risotto with lobster tarragon sauce. Now our aged steak is a 16 to 18 ounce prime aged ribeye, hand cut, prepared how you like, and then served with the creamy au gratin potatoes. They've been aged for 2 weeks to dry age on our steak. The aging process breaks down that muscle, makes it more tender, and the good bacteria just make it so flavorful. And I have at least one person, if we have that as a feature, at least one person every single night says it's the best steak I've ever had.